Hi, I am Luisa, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your B57 and B59 for your first project. When you turn on the sewing machine, the straight stitch is automatically selected. The stitch length and width are preset, but can be adjusted to suit the fabric and project. In the overview, all recommended presser feet are marked with a star. It is important to select the presser foot that will actually be used. This prevents the needle from hitting the presser foot. To secure the seam, sew a few back stitches at the beginning. The speed control allows you to reduce the sewing speed, which is useful for beginners or for precise sewing projects. The markings on the needle plate help guide the fabric straight. They also help ensure that seam allowances are precise. To secure the seam, sew a few back stitches at the end. Finally, pull the threads through the thread cutter on the side or trim them with the automatic thread cutter. If you prefer a more convenient option, you can program the securing function with the push of a button. This way, the machine will sew securing stitches when the tie-off button or the cutting function is pressed. This can be selected in the sewing settings. If either of the two buttons is pressed, the seam is automatically secured. If this setting is enabled, securing stitches are sewn automatically at the beginning of the seam. The needle step-down function prevents the fabric from shifting when you pause. This feature is also essential when pivoting at corners. When sewing over areas of varying thickness, the presser foot can be locked in horizontal position. Once the highest point is reached, lower the needle and raise the presser foot, then press the black button. After a few stitches, the foot will unlock automatically. If you want to sew a different stitch, you can select it. The stitches are organized into categories for easier navigation. If you want to save specific stitch settings for later use, you can save the modified stitch to your own folder. Depending on the thread or fabric you are using, it may be necessary to adjust the thread tension. If the bobbin thread is visible on the top of the fabric, reduce the thread tension slightly. To create a larger work surface, you can attach the extension table. Now your machine is all set up for your first project. You'll find more videos on our channel. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe.